How to build aesthetic physique. Now, I did this all with calisthenics, didn't even go to the gym at the beginning. Obviously, it's all a journey and my physique can continue to improve, but this is where I began. Now, let's not overcomplicate this. What would I tell my younger self, and where should you start as a beginner? Well, for upper body, let's start with wide grip pull-ups. Brilliant for your back, great for your biceps. If you can't pull up, replace with Australian rows. And then dips, great for your chest, great for your triceps. And pike push-ups, elevated or normal, great for your shoulders. If you can't do pikes, do regular push-ups. These will develop that upper body and start to bring in that V taper. For your core, just spam hanging leg raises. Just spam them out until your core hurts enough and you can stop. This also builds your forearms, but also just gets you a great six pack. And then for your legs, just spam Bulgarian split squats. Make sure you're hitting each leg with the same number of reps. And then also your calf raises, just so your calves are getting attention. Now don't overlook leg day, otherwise you're gonna have a great upper body and V taper going into like some stickman physique on the legs, and mate, it just looks ridiculous. Okay, and now this is where the problem arises. You've watched this video, you might like it, you may even subscribe, but then you're not gonna do anything. You're gonna watch the next beginner's routine or the next how-to. Well, what I want you to do is actually just start doing it. So this is how this is going to work. Upper body, do that on one day. The next day, spam your leg raises for your core. The next day, do the leg routine. Then rest, or maybe have 2 rest days. Then do the routine again. Then have a couple more rest days. Then do the routine again. And give it 3-4 weeks. Once this becomes easy, you will no longer be a beginner and you will start to see results. Now, of course, it's not all just about exercise. You also need to stop hitting the cakes. You need to clean up your diet, okay? No more takeaways, nothing like that. Get single ingredient, solid foods that you can create great meals out of. So proteins would be chicken, salmon, beef mince, turkey. You want your good carbs, so potatoes, roast potatoes are great. You want a good mix of veg, and just season the food. Make it taste fucking amazing. Add your chili, your garlic, make it taste brilliant. So that way you never miss all the old dopamine inducing fast foods. And just replace things. Replace the sweets with fruit. Replace the crisps with carrot sticks you can dip in peanut butter. Do you know what I mean? There's some fucking good alternatives that you can replace the bad food with. The next big one is just sleeping, right? Sleep like Sleeping Beauty. Treat yourself like a fucking princess. Get into bed, make sure you're at least getting 6 hours. Between 6 to 8 is the sweet spot. And don't look at your phone before bed. If you want to have a good night's sleep, it's not difficult. Put your alarm on. Put your phone on the other side of the room so you're not staring at your phone screen before you go to bed. Lie down, close your eyes, and just think about nothing. And if you can't think about nothing, repeat the phrase in your head. I'm thinking about nothing. I'm thinking about nothing. I'm thinking about nothing. And if you lie there with your eyes closed, I promise you, you will fall asleep within 15 minutes. So eat well, get your sleep right, follow my routine, and you will go from a beginner to start getting gains. Right, see you in the next one.